Hi, Hadi. Today we are going to draw the flag of El Salvador. You know the El Salvador country. Its flag is rectangle, so we already drawn a rectangle here. And let's put the blue color on top and on the bottom part of the flag. I'm just outlining. All right. In the middle, it has a graphical presentations. You can see the colors. So this is like a circular shape, dark yellow, as you can see here. Something written. All right, then in the middle I can see some green surface here, like this. Looks like some petals or the leaves. Okay, all right. This is not the exact picture, but it's almost the same graphical presentations we always try to do, because in this short amount of time it's not possible to present all the details, but we can provide the usual colors and the symbols so that we can understand that which flags is stands for which countries. This is the flag of El Salvador. Okay, so dark blue is on the top. Now another dark blue we are going to put in the bottom. All right, so this flag usually resembles the national flag of El Salvador. Please subscribe the channel. I hope you like the video. And we have also other drawings in our channel. You can browse through the playlist, and you can also show the categories in the playlist. We have lots of options, lots of drawings. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.